स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है मेरी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. चलो स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं. We are going to quickly. अब सिर्फ पढ़ना है. अभी इस पे बात करेंगे कि कैसे चीजें चल रही हैं. ठीक है, चलो. Escape. What do people want to escape? How do they escape? How do you escape? We all want escaping from the present to past. मुझे पता है मोबाइल फोन के साथ. People often long for simpler, less stressful times, जैसे हम आज के टाइम में चाहते हैं. Some people wish to escape from the reality. Yes, we daydream, we lose ourselves in a hobby, we escape from reality by reading. Yes. So, ये वाला याद है आपको? कार्टून कैरेक्टर. था. This cartoon character was Fred. चलो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. So we are talking about that. What would motivate people to want to travel to past? Why might they want to travel to past? हमें सबको पता है कि that past was simpler. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we are talking about. अब मैं जल्दी से तुम लोगों को ना वहां लेके चल रही हूँ कि हम चैप्टर को कैसे पढ़ें. हमने ऑलरेडी टाइम ट्रेवल पे बहुत बात की है, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक इट बोरिंग. यस. अब ये देखो, ये सारे ना साइफाई हैं जो जैक फिनी ने लिखी हैं. टाइम एंड अगेन, अबाउट टाइम. अब ये वोकैबुलरी है, हम इस पर ऑलरेडी बात कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट उस पर चलते हैं. आई एम टेकिंग यू टू द चैप्टर. ये देखो, ये वो है वोकैबुलरी का ही पार्ट है. स्पिटून्स ये वर्ड आएगा चैप्टर में. स्पिटून्स होते हैं वो कंटेनर्स जहाँ पे कि लोग जो जो होते हैं ना, थूकदान, पीकदान कहते थे इन्हें. यस, पीकदान कहा जाता था इन्हें. सो दीज आर गोइंग टू एग्जिस्ट इन 1890. जब 1890 से 1894 का वो डिस्क्रिप्शन देगा ना, देन इट इज देयर. So life expectancy, see life in 1894, 47 to 50 years of age. United States के लिए ये. The family income, how the things, the family income has increased, the lifespan has increased, but the problems also have increased in 1894. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड देखते हैं. देखो, आई वांट यू टू फोकस ऑन दिस. चार्ली इन द प्रेजेंट. अब ये 4 पार्ट्स हैं जिसमें हमें स्टोरी को डिवाइड करना है. चार्ली ट्रेवल्स टू 1894. चार्ली रिटर्न्स टू द प्रेजेंट एंड चार्ली डिस्कवर्स द थर्ड लेवल इज रियल. सो ये 4 पार्ट्स हैं जिसमें हम स्टोरी को डिवाइड करके पढ़ेंगे. चार्ली इन द प्रेजेंट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट जब वो ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. 1894 जब वो सडनली थर्ड लेवल पे पहुंच जाता है, और उसके बाद जब उसे रियलाइज होता है मनी देने के टाइम पे. ये देखो, यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ माय स्क्रीन. Charlie is in the present. The presence of New York Central and New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetable that there are only 2. But I say there are 3 because I've been on the third level at Grand Central Station. Yes, I've taken the obvious step. I talked to psychiatrist friend of mine, among others. Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bacha, read. Second paragraph.
Yes, I have taken the obvious step. I talked to psychiatrist friend of mine, among others. I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment. He said I was unhappy that made my wife kind of mad, but he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it. All and that I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station.
Yes. So when he shares his ideas, Charlie is in the present, and when he's talking about this, then he is blamed that you are trying to run away. But that's the reason. Mohit, read.
But that's the reason he said, and my friends all agreed. Everything points to it, they claim. My stamp collecting, for the example, that's a temporary refuge from the reality. Well, maybe, but my grandfather didn't need any refuge from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in his days. From all I hear, and he started my collection. It's a nice collection, 2 blocks of four of practically
Practically.
even practically every US issue, first day covers, and so on. President Roosevelt collects stamps too. You know.
Yes. Now read this part. Charlie's friends and psychiatrists think that he is daydreaming to escape.
Charlie's friends and psychiatrists think that he is daydreaming to escape from the reality of the world. They point out that even his hobbies are an escape from the reality.
Yes. So here when he is explaining that how he went into stamp collection for a temporary escape from the reality so that he can divert his attention at that time, all his friends are trying to convince him that he is daydreaming to escape from the reality of world. He is going into all these hobbies and the purpose is to run away from the present. Harshit, read.
Anyway, here's what happened at Grand Central one night last summer. I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartment, so I decided to subway from Grand Central because it's faster than the bus. Now I don't know why this should have happened to me. I'm just an ordinary guy named Charlie, 31-year-old, and I was wearing a tan
Gabardine.
gabardine gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. I passed a dozen men who looked just like me, and I was trying to escape
From.
from anything. I just wanted to get home, Louisa, my wife.
अब देखो अपनी बुक खोलो. We have actually read 2 pages. Books खोलो. Page number 1 and 2 means page number 2 last second paragraph जहां से start हो रहा है. I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue. Open your books, all of you. देखो mark कर लो. It will be easier for you to relate. This was the from
Yes, ma'am.
till this point. Louisa, my wife. He is there. Charlie in present. Yes. Charlie is moving on in the present time.
Yes, ma'am. मिल गया.
Yes. तो ये था फर्स्ट पार्ट अभी तक. Yes. So he is 31 years old. So he has talked about everything. Now he is moving on. I turn into Grand Central form. He is telling the passage where he moved. Yes, Mohit, read.
I turned into Grand Central from the Vanderbilt Adventure, Vanderbilt Avenue, and went down the steps to the first level, where you take trains like that 20th century. Then I walked down another flight to the second level, where the suburban trains leave from the ducted into a arched doorway heading for the subway, and got lost. That's easy. That's easy to do. I have been in and out of the Grand Central hundreds of times, but I am always bumping into new doorways and stairs and corridors. Once I got into a tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of a Roosevelt hotel Another time I came up in an office building on 44th Street, 3 blocks away. Charlie explains how huge Grand Central is and how easy it is to get lost. He is setting up the background to explain how he discovers the third level.
So I hope you are able to relate that Charlie was in the present till now. Yes, Charlie was moving on in the present time. Now Charlie will move in the time of 1894. So he has made that whole thing, that how he reached the point and how he is moving on, how he has reached the corridor, though he has traveled through the place 100 times, but still every time he is able to find new corridors, new stairs, new lifts that take him to some or the other place. So he's talking about his experience. Sorry, Karthik, read. Karthik. Akshat, sorry, कौन था third? Mohit.
Karthik Namdar.
Yes, Karthik, read.
एक second. Sometimes I think, मैम यहाँ से पढ़ना है?
हाँ हाँ यहीं से.
Okay. Sometimes I think Grand Central is growing like a tree, pushing out new corridors and staircase like roots. There's probably a long tunnel that nobody knows about, feeling its way under the city right now, on its way to Times Square and maybe another to Central Park. And maybe because so many people through years, Grand Central has been an exit, a way of escape. Maybe that's how the tunnel I got into, but I never told my psychiatrist friend about that idea.
Yes. Okay. So thank you, Karthik. Page number 3 पे first paragraph देखो. There is probably a long tunnel. ये वाला जो paragraph है, this is all Charlie in the present. Yes. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now Charlie will move to the time of 1894. B part. Second part of the story is going to begin from the corridor I was in. मिल गया third page पे? Middle of the page means second paragraph onwards. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके हर्षित रीड. बस ये वाला पार्ट आज पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद फिर मैं तुम्हें बता दूंगी नेक्स्ट क्लास में कि कहाँ कहाँ स्टोरी को मार्क करना है. इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड गो थ्रू द स्टोरी. यस हर्षित रीड बेटा.
The corridor I was in began angling left and slanting downwards, and I thought that was wrong, but I kept on walking. All I could hear was the empty sound of my own footsteps, and I didn't pass a soul. Then I heard that sort of hollow roar ahead, that means open space and people talking. Then tunnel turned sharp left. I went down a short flight of stairs and come out of third level at Grand Central Station. For just a moment, I thought I was back on the second level, but I saw a room smaller. The room was smaller. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and the information booth in the center was wood and looking. And the man in the booth wore a green eye shade and long black sleeve protectors. The lights were dim and sort of flickering. Then I saw why. They were open flame gaslight.
यस सो दिस इज नाउ हिज एक्सप्लेनेशन. और देखना पूरी स्टोरी में जब आप पढ़ोगे ध्यान से, हाउ ही इज गिविंग अ विविड एंड डिटेल्ड डिस्क्रिप्शन of the third level. So we all are left in a surprise that how come the thing that did not exist, he is able to describe in so much detail the whole thing of third level, how it existed, how the people looked there. अब यहाँ पे spittoon words आया था ना अभी. Yes, अभी हाँ. So all the things, the information booth, the rooms, he is able to describe everything in very short and precise manner, but talking about the minute details that generally people are able to give. हम और आप जैसे वो सब बातें तब कर पाते हैं जब हम उस प्लेस पे गए हैं. So we are all left awestruck that how he is able to describe so much about a place that is only existing in his imagination. that is not existing in reality at all, right? तो अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इस चैप्टर को, अब हर्षित हमने ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द चैप्टर पढ़ लिया है, आगे हम अब इसको बस वाइंड अप करेंगे कि दैट हाउ
Yes, ma'am.
going to talk about the coming back and how we are able to make we are able to make that realization that it actually existed, right? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Karthik has already left. Okay, so beta please go through the story, और story को जब divide कर लोगे it will be easier for you to understand. अब story boring है या जैसे भी है हम उसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but पढ़ना, story को पढ़े बिना काम चलेगा नहीं. Yes, so go through the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Divide it in parts. एक पार्ट हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया, सेकंड पार्ट हम ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं, अब दो पार्ट्स बाकी बहुत छोटे छोटे से, so we will talk about them and definitely we are going to talk about the whole thing. We will try to
मैम ये स्लाइड आप शेयर कर दोगे?
कौन सी? हाँ, ये वाली जो पीपीटी पहले मैंने पढ़ाई है वो वाली मैं कर दूंगी, और जो दूसरी है इसका लिंक है, ये जो दूसरी है ना, इट इज नॉट डाउनलोडेबल, दिस इज अ लिंक, सो आई विल शेयर द लिंक आल्सो. ठीक है, वैसे लिंक की नीड पड़ेगी नहीं, हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मार्क कर लिया है बुक में, सो मैं तुम लोगों को बाकी पार्ट भी मार्क करवा दूंगी. और जो पहली वाली स्लाइड थी जिससे मैंने पीपीटी तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर करके जो हमने पढ़ी थी समरी, वो हम लोग मैं ब्रॉडकास्ट पे डाल दूंगी एंड यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस इट. ठीक है,
ओके मैम.
ओके बच्चा, चलो अब तुम लोग जा सकते हो. गौरव सर की भी क्लास होगी, शायद 5 o'clock होने वाले.
मैम मुझे ब्रॉडकास्ट में ऐड कर लेना.
किसको?
क्या मैम?
हर्षित, आपने कहा कि आपको ऐड कर लूं?
यस मैम.
हर्षित, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी ऐड किया हुआ है बेटा, आपने मेरा नंबर सेव किया है?
यस मैम.
तुम्हारे पास अब तक कोई वो नहीं आया पीपीटीज वगैरह जो मैंने आज मैसेज भेजा था ब्रॉडकास्ट पे, वो आया था? आज
मैम
की
एक
क्लास,
सेकंड चेक करता हूँ.
हाँ आज की क्लास का मैसेज मैंने भेजा था, चेक करो,
मुझे अपडेट करा दे, कोई नंबर ही डाउन.
चेक करो हर्षित.
यस मैम. यस आया.
आया था ना आज का?
यस मैम. यस.
हाँ, तो मतलब वो ब्रॉडकास्ट के थ्रू ही आया है. ठीक है, और मैं ब्रॉडकास्ट
Okay.
भेजूंगी, आज पीपीटी भी मिल जाएगी तुम लोगों को. ठीक है, तो 3rd लेवल की. चलो, ओके, बाय.